Hey guys, what's happening? Jamie here from Unbox. We're at Shang BGC where Honor just launched its budget flagship phone, the Honor 10. Without further ado, let's jump right in. So I hope you join us for this hands-on and quick review. The Honor 10 is a gorgeous looking device that has a metal frame which is sandwiched by glass panels, but the back has been given an added visual pop via what the company is calling its Aurora glass design. Inspired by the Northern Lights, the rear panel has been given nanoscale optical coating that gives it a bit of a color shift when looking at it off-axis. It's comfortable to hold in the hand thanks to its curved edges, and it's rather light as well. The Honor 10 may retail way below 30,000 pesos, but in terms of looks and feel, it certainly fits the flagship mold, sans the IP certification. As for the button and port layout, you've got the power button and volume rocker on the right side. Access to the SIM tray can be found on the left. You've got an IR blaster and a microphone up top, plus the speaker grill, USB-C port, and headphone jack on the bottom. With a screen-to-body ratio of 86%, the front of the phone is dominated by its 5.84-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display at an aspect ratio of 19:9. There is a notch on top of the screen which holds the phone's 24-megapixel selfie shooter, but you can easily hide it with black bars by going into the display settings. You also have the fingerprint scanner on the phone's chin that's underneath the panel itself. It took a little longer than usual to set up, but so far we're seeing that it has a pretty good margin of error. For the cameras on the back, you have a 16-megapixel main shooter coupled with a 24-megapixel monochrome camera, both of which have an aperture of f1.8. As you can clearly see with the label on the right side of the camera array, you're getting AI scene detection with this device, but it's easily toggled on and off, plus you can even remove the tweaks after taking a photo if you don't like the resulting image. Under the hood of the Honor 10 is a Kirin 970 processor paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. We're pretty sure it has more than enough muscle to handle the day-to-day, and then some. Out of the box, the device runs on Android Oreo 8.1 with EMUI 8.1 on top of it, and it's juiced up by a 3400 mAh battery. It also supports Supercharge, so you can top up the phone by 50% in less than 30 minutes. And that's pretty much it for this hands-on and quick review for the Honor 10, which is priced at 23,990 pesos. Again, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next one. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. And of course, follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well. This is Jamie. I'll see you guys next time.